In my humble opinion, one area in generative AI which is still being overlooked a bit and will exponentially grow in the near future will be the vector databases or any database related solutions for artificial intelligence. In this video, let me introduce you to Rockset. This is just an overview video, and in the coming videos, I'll be making more hands on videos around Rockset. Rockset is a database vendor which has recently secured 44 million US dollars in a funding round, boosting its valuation to more than $100 million and selling the relevance of AI centered DB solutions. And their most striking and attractive feature for me is the storage of vector embeddings. They store vector embeddings in some form of vector database within the Rockset, and this is growing very rapidly. Vectors or numerical representation of data are used to help power LLMs. There are a number of other database vendors offering the vector databases, including Pinecone, Waviate, Milvest, and various others. And I have few videos around them on the channel. Existing database vendors like DataStax, MongoDB, Neo4j, Oracle, even Postgres, they all have some sort of vector integration in one way or another. Inside the Rockset, vector embeddings are supported as a data type known as an array of floats. At the foundation of Rockset's real-time database is the RocksDB data store, which the company has extended with the RocksDB cloud technology. Rockset has also developed a number of advanced techniques with RocksDB cloud that help accelerate indexing for all data types. Rockset also integrates a distributed SQL engine for fast data queries. You can now literally in a single SQL query do a whole bunch of filters and joins and aggregation and also use a vector embedding to do ranking relevance in a similarity search use case. Among the future capabilities, he is looking forward to its support for GPU acceleration to further speed queries for LLMs and generative AI use cases. I believe this industry has just started, and I'll be keeping a close eye on Rockset and various other vector databases, and you will get more and more videos around it in the coming days. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And I'll drop the link to this Rockset website, which is simply rockset.com, in video's description. Thank you.